How to log out of Netflix on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Netflix application on your phone. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the My Netflix tab. On this page, you can view your downloads and lists. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three-line menu icon. A menu with several options will appear from the bottom. From here, select the Sign Out option as shown. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your action. Signing out will also log you out of other Netflix apps on this device. Tap on the Sign Out button again to confirm and successfully log out of your Netflix account. Following these steps, you can easily log out of Netflix on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.